Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to create new Apple ID for free without credit card. So guys, if you want to try to create new Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad and you need to put credit or debit card information but you don't have any card, so guys, in this video I will show you how to create your new Apple ID without debit or credit card. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, scroll it below. From here you have to click on apps, click on contacts, click on accounts, click on add account, click on iCloud, and you have to create new Apple account from here. So guys, after putting all the information here, enter your first name, last name, and add date of birth. And after this you have to select continue, and I will show you that how can you create your Apple ID without credit card. So guys, after putting all the information on your Apple account, the last option you will see this kind of interface. So guys, from here as you can see, you need to enter debit or credit card, but if don't, then you need to select none option. So guys, like this you can create your new Apple account without debit or credit card, and here you need to put your billing address and phone number. And guys, after putting all this information, click on next or done, and guys, after this your Apple ID will be created successfully without putting any card. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.